Okay, so we are working through question 20, which says the expression log of base x of y plus log of base y of z, where x, y, and z are all real numbers greater than 1, is equal to which of these? So looking at my options here, it's quite clear that we're using the change of base rule. So that means what I can say is this right here, log x of y is going to be equal to 1 over log y of x, and so too this one right here, log y of z, is going to be the same thing as 1 over log z of y. And now I'm simply going to add these two together, which means D is going to be my answer. So this is just the change of base law or rule or whatever. Let's come and look here, and as you can see, 47% of people got the full mark there, or got it correct. They put D down. You can see the working out that VCAA has provided, and it's just a little bit more detailed than what I've said. If I was just kind of walk you through what they're saying here. So they're saying that you have log x of y, right? And as you can see here, they're saying it's equal to this. So basically what's happening here is your change of base law says I can go log of the argument, so y, over log of the base here, x, and I can make the base of these logs whatever I want. But if I make it y, then log y of y is just 1, and I end up with that. And that's what we see right there. So in my working above here, I just went straight from this to this, when in their working here, they've provided you that step there, which is showing you exactly what's happening. But this is multiple choice. We want to be as quick as we can. But if you are struggling with how exactly that's working, that's what's going on. And then of course, the same thing is just going on for log y of z there. So if I was to go through that, we have log y of z. So what I'm doing is I'm doing my first one as z, I'm doing my bottom one as y, and I can make my bases whatever I want. But if I was to make my base y, then I'm going, oh sorry, not y, z rather. If I was to make both my bases z, I'm going to get log z of z is 1, and then on the bottom I'm going to get z y, and then I'm simply going to add those two together. There you go, the change of base rule. So if you knew that, if you knew the change of base rule, it's a really easy question. If you didn't know it, you can't answer it. So it's one of those questions where it's kind of hard, it's kind of easy, just depends on what you know. And with that, we have finished question 20, and we have finished all the multiple choice of exam 2 of the 2019 Math Methods paper. Hopefully you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.